In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom order form in Shopify. We'll be using a popular app called Globo Product Options and Variants. This lets you add extra fields to your product pages, so customers can give you all the details you need for custom or made-to-order products. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. At the very top of the page, look for the search bar in the admin. Click into that search bar. Then from the drop-down that appears, select Apps. In the search field, type Globo and press Enter on your keyboard. This will open the Shopify App Store. From the search results, find Globo Product Options and Variants and click it. You'll be taken to the app's information page. Here, click Install and then follow the on-screen installation prompts until the app is fully added to your store. Once the installation is complete, you'll be taken to the Globo Product Options dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Click on Option Sets. This is where you'll build and manage your custom forms. In the top right corner, click Create Option Set. A drop-down will appear, giving you the choice to create from scratch or use a template. For this walkthrough, choose Create from Scratch so you can see all the options available. You'll now see an editor layout, with the editing tools on the left and a live preview of your form on the right. This is where you add the elements that will appear on your product page. For example, if you offer custom colors, you might add a text input field so customers can type their preferred color, or a drop-down if you have a fixed list of color options. Click on the element you just added to open its settings. Give it a clear label, for example, custom color. If this information is required for the order, check the required box so customers can't add the product to cart without filling it out. In the placeholder field, you might write something like preferred color, and you can add a short help text such as type NA if no custom color to guide your customers. If you want to add more fields to your custom order form, click the back icon at the top left of the editor to return to the list of elements, then click Add Elements again. Repeat the same steps for each field you need. As you go, keep an eye on the preview on the right to make sure everything looks and reads the way you want. When you're happy with your fields, look to the far left panel and click the tag icon near the top. This is where you decide which products will use this custom form. You can manually select specific products, set automatic rules, or apply your options to all products in your store. Choose the option that fits your setup, then click Save in the top right corner. Next, click Exit in the top right to leave the Options Set editor. Back in the Globo Product Options menu on the left, click Settings. At the top center of the screen, click Theme Setup. Here you'll see an App Embed section and a button labeled Go to Theme Editor. Click that button. This will open Shopify's theme editor. On the left-hand panel of the theme editor, look for the Globo Product Options App Embed. Make sure the toggle for this app embed is turned on so your custom form will actually appear on your product pages. Finally, click Save in the top right corner of the theme editor. Once that's saved, your custom order form is active. You can now visit one of the products you assigned the option set to and test the form from a customer's perspective, making sure all fields work as expected and are clearly labeled.